Hey guys, TowPro Rentals here. So today we're going to be swapping out our rope on our winch. We're going to go from a steel braided to a synthetic. It's a great opportunity because the last renter did quite a bit of damage to the trailer. So I'm going to take this opportunity to do some upgrades with the winch and swap it over to some synthetic, as well as add a wireless remote, which I think is going to be best for the customers. I think you guys would want to, be able to winch on the car without having to be right next to it or only limited by the cord. So another added feature that I think is going to be good. Okay, so here we go. We've got a new synthetic rope, 80 feet by 3/8. So we're going to swap that out from the steel braided one. We're going to swap over the fairlead to a smooth surface aluminum. Works better for the synthetic ropes. I've got a new hook that I'm going to put on the end of it because I'm not sure kind of what happened to the other one. So just as a safety, I'm going to swap it out. And now we got this 80 feet range, which is going to be nice to where we can wirelessly winch on the remote. So for those of you who are loading a car up by yourself, this will come in very handy. So let's get to it. So a lot of people will unweave it, put half of it through, and then put the other. I had to reweave it, braid it right here, and then when I winch it on, then it'll loop around that, hold it tight. The whole idea is just to make sure it doesn't come out. But as always, the new fairlead is always a pain in the butt, so work on getting this, then we'll start winching it in. Now that I got that going, so now you can see that tail is through the drum, set screws on it, and then it's coming across, and these are holding it on there. So even if it pulls all the way out, the set screw and then being weaved back into each other will stop it from coming all the way out. But at least this will put tension on it and hold it, so hopefully we won't have to ever pull it out all the way, but if they do, it'll catch it. So it's all done. It pulls out a lot smoother, so I think that's going to be something nice. And this wireless remote it's awesome. I like it. So one quick shout out to Utah Trailer Works. They They got me repaired and fixed pretty quick. So you can see there's still a little bit of damage. That's to be expected from these car haulers. Not too bad, but this is pretty dented in. His truck slid and his side steps landed on this part. Ripped out my winch plate, and then he had to re-weld that. He put a nice sleeve in there, welded it back up, get that back and going. So, and then added a plate underneath and a plate on top through the floor. Got me up and going fairly quick. So huge shout out to Utah Trailer Works. Go see them there in Syracuse if you need any repair work. Great to deal with. Price is fairly reasonable. So, but yeah, that's it. So we'll just winch this in one last time, and she's ready to be rented. So give us a call, 801. Actually, sorry, it is 385-503-3933 or TowProRentals.com. Click online and book. So we'll see you guys on the next one.